Hello and welcome back to Daily English Studio. I'm Anna and it's so good to have you here.
And I'm Lucas. Hello, everyone. We're really happy you're joining us for another English conversation.
Lucas, you look thoughtful today. Is everything okay?
Oh, yes, I'm fine, thank you. I was just thinking about, thinking.
Thinking about thinking?
Yes, exactly. My brain was very busy this morning. It was thinking about work, about a message I sent yesterday, about what to cook for dinner. So many thoughts.
I know that feeling. Your mind just doesn't stop. It's like a busy computer with too many windows open.
Yes, too many windows. That's a perfect way to describe it. And I think a lot of our friends watching know this feeling too.
I'm sure they do. So that is actually our topic for today. We're going to talk about overthinking.
Overthinking. That's a very useful English word. It means thinking too much about something.
Yes, when you overthink, you analyze every little detail. You imagine problems. You can't make a decision because you're thinking too much.
Today, we will listen to simple conversations about overthinking. We will learn natural phrases people use, and we will practice how to talk about this very common experience.
But first, a very warm welcome to our new friends. If you are new here, we are Anna and Lucas. This channel, Daily English Studio, is your place to learn real, everyday English without fear. We speak slowly and clearly.
And if you're already part of our studio family, welcome back. We are so happy to see you. If you want to easily understand every lesson, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Yes, subscribe to Daily English Studio. It's free and it helps you learn English every day. Now, let's start our conversation.
Anna, do you ever find yourself overthinking?
Oh, Lucas, all the time. For example, last week I sent a simple text message to my friend. I wrote, "See you tomorrow."
That sounds normal.
It is normal, but after I sent it, I started to overthink. I thought, should I have added a smiley face? Is "see you tomorrow" too short? Does it sound friendly? Maybe I should have said, "looking forward to it."
And how long did you think about this?
Maybe 10 minutes. I just sat there, looking at my phone, worrying about a simple message.
I understand completely. I do the same thing. Last night, I couldn't sleep because I was overthinking a conversation from work.
What happened?
My boss said, "Good work today, Lucas." That's all. But my brain started asking questions. What did she mean by good? Was it just normal good? Was she actually happy? Maybe she wanted to say more but didn't.
So a nice, positive comment became a problem in your mind.
Exactly. That is overthinking. You take one small thing and your mind makes it big and complicated.
Let's listen to our first simple conversation. Two friends, Mia and Ben, are talking at a cafe.
Okay, listeners, just relax and listen. Try to catch the main idea.
Conversation 1. At the cafe.
You seem tired, Mia.
I am tired. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no, why not?
I had a presentation at work today. I was thinking about it all night.
But you prepared, right? You practiced.
Yes, I prepared, but I kept thinking, what if my computer doesn't work? What if I forget my words? What if people ask difficult questions?
Ah, you were overthinking.
Overthinking?
Yes, thinking too much about problems that might not happen. Your computer is new. You know your topic. You will be fine.
You're right. I created so many what-if situations in my head. It was exhausting.
Next time, try to write down your worries. Then you can see which are real and which are just imagination.
That's good advice. Thank you, Ben. Okay, let's talk about that conversation. Lucas, what phrase did Ben use to describe Mia's problem?
He said, you were overthinking, a very useful verb, to overthink. Past tense, overthought. I overthought the problem.
And what did Mia say she was doing? She said, I kept thinking. Kept thinking means she continued to think. She did not stop.
She also talked about what-if situations. What if something bad happens? What if I make a mistake? What if they don't like me?
These are usually thoughts about the future, worries about things that have not happened yet, probably will not happen.
And Ben gave some simple advice. He said, write down your worries. This is a great idea. When you write, you can see your thoughts clearly. Some thoughts seem smaller on paper.
Let's listen to another daily situation. This is between two roommates, Chloe and David, in their apartment.
Conversation 2. At home.
Chloe, can I ask your opinion about something?
Of course. What is it?
I need to buy a new coffee maker. I looked online for 2 hours. There are so many options, I can't decide.
2 hours for a coffee maker?
I know, it's silly, but I read all the reviews. This one has good reviews, but is expensive. This one is cheap, but maybe breaks quickly. I don't know what to choose.
Chloe, I think you're overcomplicating this.
Overcomplicating?
Yes, making it more difficult than it needs to be. You just need a machine to make coffee. Pick one in your price range. It will be okay.
But what if I choose the wrong one?
Then you will have okay coffee, not amazing coffee. It's not a big problem. Don't let a small decision take your whole afternoon.
You're right. I'm stuck in my own head. I'll just buy the blue one.
Great. Now let's drink some tea and relax.
Another great conversation. David used a different word. He didn't say overthinking. What did he say?
He said, you're overcomplicating this. To overcomplicate. It means to make something very complex, very difficult.
It's similar to overthinking, but for actions and decisions, you take a simple choice and make it a huge project.
And Chloe said a wonderful phrase, I'm stuck in my own head. Listeners, repeat after me. I'm stuck in my own head. This means your thoughts are going in circles. You cannot think clearly. You cannot see outside of your own worries.
It's like being in a room with no windows, only your thoughts.
David's advice was about perspective. He said it's not a big problem. He compared the decision to its result. Then you will have okay coffee, not amazing coffee. It's not a big problem.
This is a key to stop overthinking. Ask yourself, what is the worst possible result? Often, the worst result is not very bad. It's manageable.
Let's listen to one more conversation. This is between a brother and sister, Emma and Jack, talking on the phone.
Conversation 3. On the phone.
Hello?
Jack, hi, it's Emma.
Hey, Emma. You sound stressed.
I am. Remember I went to a party at Sarah's house on Saturday?
Yes, you said it was fun.
I thought it was fun, but today at the gym, I saw Sarah. She said hello very quickly and then talked to another friend. Now I'm thinking, did I do something wrong at the party? Was I too loud? Did I talk too much about my job?
Emma, pause. Take a breath.
Okay.
You are reading too much into this.
Reading too much into it?
Yes, it means you are finding a meaning that is not there. Maybe Sarah was in a hurry at the gym. Maybe she had something on her mind. You don't know, but you are creating a story where you did something wrong.
So it probably has nothing to do with me?
Exactly. Most people are thinking about themselves, not about you. This is probably not about you at all. Don't waste your energy on this.
Wow, when you say it like that, I feel silly.
Don't feel silly. Just try to let it go. Your mind is playing tricks on you.
Thank you, Jack. I needed to hear that.
That conversation is so important for social overthinking. Jack used a fantastic phrasal verb. What was it?
He said, "You are reading too much into this." To read into something. It means to believe a situation has a hidden meaning, a special meaning. Often, the hidden meaning is negative.
For example, if your friend is quiet, you might read into it. You think, is she angry with me? But maybe she is just tired.
And he said another great line, "Your mind is playing tricks on you." This means your thoughts are not telling you the truth. They're creating illusions, like a magic trick.
His advice was about shifting focus. He said, most people are thinking about themselves, not about you. This is very true. We often think people are judging us, but they're busy with their own lives, their own thoughts.
So we heard 3 conversations about the future, about decisions, and about social situations, all examples of overthinking.
Now, let's learn some simple, natural phrases you can use to talk about this. Lucas, let's start with how to say you are overthinking.
You can say, "I'm overthinking this." Simple and clear.
I can't stop thinking about it.
My mind won't shut off. That's a very casual way to say it. Shut off means stop, like a machine.
I'm stuck in my own head. We heard that one.
I'm creating problems in my mind.
And what can you say to a friend who is overthinking? How can you help them?
You can say, "I think you're overthinking this."
Maybe you're reading too much into it.
What's the worst that can happen? This question helps get perspective.
Try to let it go. This means try to stop worrying. Try to release the thought. Don't be so hard on yourself. This means don't criticize yourself so much.
Wonderful. Now it's time for a short speaking practice for you, our listeners. We will give you a prompt, a simple situation. We want you to pause the video and say your sentence out loud. Don't worry about perfection, just speak.
First situation. You thought about a work email for 30 minutes. It was a short email. You worried about every word. Say, I overthought that email.
Pause. Good. Second situation. Your friend is worried about a taxi. What if the taxi is late? What if the driver is unfriendly? What if we get lost? Tell your friend, "I think you're overthinking the taxi ride."
Pause. Excellent. Third situation. You see a friend at the supermarket. She smiles but looks away quickly. You think, is she upset with me? Say to yourself, stop reading into it. She's probably just busy.
Pause. Very good practice. Speaking out loud is the best way to learn. Now let's move to our final part, a longer, practical speaking exercise.
We are going to have a full conversation now. We will use the phrases we learned. Listen first, then we will repeat it slowly for you to practice with us.
Practice dialogue. In the park.
This is a nice park. Good idea to go for a walk.
Thanks. I needed to get out of the house. My brain was too full.
Too full of thoughts?
Yes. About my project at work. I finished it, but now I'm thinking, is it good enough? Did I check everything? Should I add more details?
Sounds like you're overthinking it. The project is finished. You did your best.
I know, but my mind won't shut off. It keeps asking, what if?
What's the worst that can happen? Your boss might have a few small questions. That's normal. It's not a big problem.
You're right. I'm creating problems in my mind. The real situation is probably fine.
Exactly. Look at that big tree over there. Just look at it for a moment. Don't think about work.
Okay. It's a beautiful tree. The leaves are moving in the wind.
Good. Sometimes you need to break the cycle of thoughts. Do something simple. Look at a tree. Listen to the birds.
Thank you, Lucas. I feel calmer already. I need to learn to let things go.
We all need to learn that, one day at a time.
Now let's practice this together. We'll do it in small parts. Repeat after Lucas and me. Speak with us.
This is a nice park. Good idea to go for a walk. Pause.
Thanks. I needed to get out of the house. My brain was too full. Pause.
Too full of thoughts? Pause.
Yes. About my project at work. I finished it, but now I'm thinking, is it good enough? Did I check everything? Should I add more details?
Pause. Sounds like you're overthinking it. The project is finished. You did your best.
Pause. I know, but my mind won't shut off. It keeps asking, what if?
Pause. What's the worst that can happen? Your boss might have a few small questions. That's normal. It's not a big problem.
Pause. You're right. I'm creating problems in my mind. The real situation is probably fine. Pause.
Exactly. Look at that big tree over there. Just look at it for a moment. Don't think about work.
Pause.
Okay, it's a beautiful tree. The leaves are moving in the wind.
Pause.
Good. Sometimes you need to break the cycle of thoughts. Do something simple. Look at a tree. Listen to the birds.
Pause. Thank you, Lucas. I feel calmer already. I need to learn to let things go. Pause.
We all need to learn that, one day at a time.
Pause.
Wonderful job, everyone. That was great practice. Remember, the goal is not to speak perfectly. The goal is to communicate, to share your feelings.
And now we have a real task for you, your homework this week.
We want you to notice one moment of overthinking, just one. Maybe you worry about a message, or you can't decide what to eat, or you think about a person's reaction.
When you notice it, we want you to do two things. First, say to yourself in English, I am overthinking this. Say it out loud if you can.
Second, ask yourself the question, what's the worst that can happen? Answer it in simple English. For example, the worst is a small misunderstanding, or the worst is I choose the wrong color, something small.
This practice connects your English learning to your real life. It makes the language useful and personal.
And if you feel comfortable, we would love to hear about it. Share your experience in the comments below. You can write, this week I overthought about topic. The worst result was result. We will read every comment and we will support you.
Your English community is here. We learn together. We support each other. There is no judgment here, only progress.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us at Daily English Studio. If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please let us know.
Yes, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps other learners find our friendly studio.
And subscribe if you haven't yet. Click that subscribe button. It's free and it means you won't miss our next conversation.
Remember, your goal is to speak English easily and without fear. Overthinking can happen in language learning too. Don't worry about every mistake. Just try. Just speak.
We believe in you. Thank you, everyone.
Have a calm and wonderful week. Be kind to your mind. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.